Hi guys, welcome to Lab Circuit Electronics. Today we're gonna learn about LabVIEW from scratch. LabVIEW is elaborated as Laboratory Virtual Instrumentation Engineering Workbench. This LabVIEW is developed by National Instruments. In LabVIEW we use data flow programming pattern. This is also called as G program, that is graphical programming. Here in LabVIEW entirely we write programs in graphical way. Here in LabVIEW, same as any other programming language, we use .vi as extension. LabVIEW provides an good support for interfacing external devices, instruments, cameras, hardware controllers such as Arduinos and other devices, etc., which are being developed by National Instrumentation. National Instrumentation's hardware modules such as DAC MX, and many more, where the outer world will be connected to the PC using these devices. LabVIEW is a very good platform for the beginners without any prior knowledge, and this need a very few and a very minute knowledge of C, which will be known by every engineer, I can say. Today we are gonna start our LabVIEW of version 19, which is the latest one, and we'll get into the today's our agenda is downloading and installing of LabVIEW software first, and after that getting started with the LabVIEW. Third, VI package manager. We have a VI package manager and what it is and how it will be used in the LabVIEW. What all the things we have in VI package manager, what all the things we can do with VI package manager, we will see that. Next, coming to the preprocessor directories, as like see we have pre-designed VIs. Example, like in C we have hash include stdio.h. The same way here we have many VIs like add VI, subtract VI. There are many preprocessor directories. In the further videos we'll go on start with it, we'll go on work on it, and next we'll write a first program, a basic program we'll write, and after that we go for the loops, and after that we're gonna go for basic programs. We have many things out of these which we'll encounter with the further videos. We'll have a very good hands-on experience with the LabVIEW, and we'll just have some hardware interface with the LabVIEW also in this videos. Next, coming to the first thing, that is downloading and installing LabVIEW. In downloading, first step, we need to download the LabVIEW from the official website, where the official website I have given in the description of my video. Please check out from there and you can start downloading it. We have many versions. I'll just show you how the things will happen. In Google, just type download LabVIEW and you're gonna get this page where you'll be having first website, that is www.ni.com, where the NI is nothing but National Instrumentation is the official website, and you can download it from here. And you'll have another link, that is LabVIEW Student Software Suite, and LabVIEW Student Software Suite will have limited functionalities and limited pre-processor directories, I can say, and you can only do few things with this. So I gonna suggest you with LabVIEW download, and you click on this, you will be getting a link, and we can start from here. We have two things in LabVIEW download. We can download in two ways, and I'm using Windows 10, so I'm gonna start with supported OS. We have Mac OS 2, and we have support for Linux also. Versions are like 2019 SP1, Service Pack 1, 2019, 2018, 2017. All those things you can get from anywhere. You have many things to do from this, and I gonna suggest you the latest one, because any previous VIs in like whenever it has been the program has been written in 2013 LabVIEW software, then it can be opened in 2019. But if the program is wrote in 2017 software, you can't open it in 16 software, obviously, because the runtime always changes and the runtime of 2017 is different from 2016. So I suggest you to go for 2019 service pack 1. And the you can check the bit race. You know that our architecture is divided into two bits, that is 32-bit and 64-bit. I gonna go for 64-bit now for now. And includes the base and full and professional version. You can use this one. You can, if at all you have already LabVIEW within your software, within your Windows, you're gonna go for runtime, because sometimes the two, if you want to work, if you want to get, like if you are on 2017 and the program is of 19 and you want to run just that VI, so you can go for runtime and you can click here. The runtime will be downloaded. The runtime is free for use and it's no need any license. It can be utilized your previous version license, but now I need the base or full professional version because I need to download the entire software. So driver software included, yes, I need the driver software in this. And now here you have one link you can download from here, and this is the online download link. When you click on, when the installation starts, this will be the interface what you'll be getting. And I have LabVIEW. I don't need any NXG software, and these are the many extra things. That means advanced application software. Switch executive is not more important for now. So what I do is, these all the things I needed, I have already installed it into my system. Just click on this and go for next, and there will be agreement. Usually every software will be having terms and conditions of that particular organization. So these are the things what now it will be installed for now, and I'll press just next. And now I have to accept this license agreement and I have to be next. Now comes many things which I am going to install, and I am just next. Just initializing the transaction, and now the installation has started. Already I have installed it, but due to some updates, whatever the NI is giving every year, this will be installed here. So I just want to stop it. And I go for this my LabVIEW software here. So you have LabVIEW software here. So on the desktop you have already copied it. So these are the steps involved in downloading and installing of LabVIEW software to your PC. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Just click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon to get my video notifications. Thank you.